Hello, everyone, and welcome to our show. We're so glad you're here with us today. This is for all of you who want to improve your English, to speak with more confidence, and to feel comfortable using the language every single day. Whether you're just starting out or looking to brush up on your skills, we've got some incredibly practical and easy-to-follow tips that will help you get there faster than you think. Learning English should be fun and fulfilling, and we're here to guide you on that exciting journey. So, let's dive right into our first piece of advice. Immersion through listening. One of the most powerful tools you have is listening. The more you expose yourself to English, the more natural it will become. Think of it like a baby learning their first language. They listen constantly before they ever speak. How can you do this every day? Podcasts for every passion. Find podcasts about topics you genuinely enjoy. There are thousands out there, from true crime to cooking, technology to history. Many even offer transcripts, which can be a huge help. Music with meaning. Listen to English songs, look up the lyrics, and try to sing along. It's an entertaining way to pick up new vocabulary and improve your pronunciation rhythm. Movies and TV shows as classrooms. Start watching your favorite movies or TV series in English with English subtitles. Once you get comfortable, try watching them without subtitles to challenge yourself. 2. Don't just learn it, live it. Practice speaking. Listening is crucial, but speaking is where real confidence grows. Don't let the fear of making mistakes hold you back. Every mistake is a step closer to fluency. Here's how you can make speaking a daily habit. Chat with yourself. Yes, really. Talk to yourself in English while you're doing chores, driving, or getting ready. Describe what you're doing, what you're thinking, or simply narrate your day. Find a conversation partner. Look for online language exchange communities or apps. Connecting with native speakers or other learners can provide invaluable real-time practice and feedback. Join an English-speaking group or class. Being in an environment where everyone is trying to speak English creates a safe space for practice. You'll learn from others and gain confidence together. Record yourself. Use your phone to record your voice while speaking English. Listen back to identify areas for improvement in pronunciation and fluency. 3. Read, read, read. Expand your world. Reading helps you understand how sentences are constructed, how vocabulary is used in context, and it generally broadens your knowledge. Make reading a daily ritual. Start simple, grow big. Begin with children's books, simplified news articles, or short stories. As your comfort grows, move on to more complex novels, magazines, or nonfiction news and articles. Read English newspapers, online news sites, or articles about subjects that interest you. This keeps you informed and exposed to current language use, blogs, and social media. Follow English-speaking bloggers, YouTubers, or social media accounts that align with your interests. This offers authentic, everyday language. 4. Build your word power. Active vocabulary. Acquisition. A strong vocabulary is your foundation. Don't just passively read new words. Actively incorporate them into your language. Effective ways to boost your vocabulary. Keep a dedicated notebook. When you encounter a new word, write it down. Include its meaning, a synonym or antonym, and an example sentence. Review these regularly. Flashcards, digital or physical. Create flashcards for new words. Test yourself daily. Apps like Anki or Quizlet can be very helpful. Theme-based learning. Focus on words related to specific themes for a week, like travel, work, food, or emotions. This helps in contextual learning. 5. Consistency is your best friend. The key to any successful learning endeavor is consistency. Small, regular efforts yield much better results than sporadic, intense bursts. How to stay consistent. Schedule your English time. Treat your English practice like an important appointment. Dedicate 15 to 30 minutes every day. Even if it's just listening to a podcast while commuting, set achievable micro goals. Instead of saying, "I will be fluent in a month," try, "I will learn 5 new words today," or "I will speak for 10 minutes." Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge your progress, no matter how small. This keeps you motivated. 6. Embrace mistakes. Your learning accelerators. Never, ever let the fear of making mistakes stop you. Mistakes are not failures. They are proof that you're trying, learning, and pushing your boundaries. Remember, every fluent English speaker made countless mistakes on their journey. It's how they learned. So, there you have it. These are our top easy-to-implement tips to help all of you practice English every single day and speak with incredible confidence. Remember, your dedication and consistent effort are the most powerful tools you possess. If these tips resonated with you, if you found them helpful, please do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button, leave us a comment, and share this episode with anyone you know who wants to unlock their English potential. Thank you so much for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Goodbye for now.